to AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. So in today with us, what an awesome bit of kit. We have a Porsche GT3 RS, fairly new model this, so this is in to have racing harnesses fitted with both the front seats, and then we've also got a fire extinguisher that's to go in the passenger side footwell. So we're going to be fitting all of this for the customer, and then it is off to do a track day. Fantastic car, awesome to be working with this, and a big thank you to the customer for trusting it in our hands. Keep watching, stay tuned for more. Lovely jubbly. Right, so we've got the seat belts, the harnesses all ready. There we go, that's them there. Then we've got the other parts of the harness as well, and the fire extinguisher. Okay, so that's all to go into the car. We're now about to start fitting everything. And here we have Adam. Here he is, look.
Oh, here I am.
Not here he is, here he is. So we're now fitting the bottom section of the harness to the floor, is it, Ad?
Yep, yeah, pre-drilled holes, the nice threaded holes.
Yeah.
Just have to remove some of the carpet, find where they are, and bolt them in.
Lovely.
As easy as that.
Make it sound so easy.
Oh, dead easy it is.
Hello there, Adam.
Hi.
And at what stage are you at with this one now, with racing harnesses?
So we've just put a little bit of Loctite on all the bolts, and then we're going to torque the bolts up to the correct Newton meter setting.
Fantastic. Right, okay.
It's very nice. Very nice.
You can see the harnesses are pretty much all in.
It's taking shape now, isn't it?
It is.
It's all taking shape.
We've had to remove the glue, haven't we, from inside the threads?
Yeah.
And you say they put grommets in?
Grommets?
They put some grommets in, Wallace.
They basically put, yeah.
And then they thought it would be a good idea to glue them into their threaded holes.
Yeah, which in my eyes wasn't the best idea, but we've cleaned the thread out and we're all good.
Yeah, and now ready to torque them up.
Now we're just setting the torque wrench.
Right, so we've now fitted the lower sections of the 4-point race harnesses in the GT3. As you're just about to see, the lower sections are now in and bolted in, all torqued up. Most important to make sure they're torqued up to the correct settings. Okay, now we've just got to put the top sections of the harness in and the fire extinguisher. Right, there we are, race harnesses, 4-point harnesses in the GT3 RS, all done and fitted in both sides, so passenger side as well, all bolted to the, I'll just swing round so you can see, all bolted to the, all strapped to the roll cage as they're meant to be in this car. And then we have, I'll just pan round, so in the other side, in the footwell, as you know, we have the fire extinguisher. So just turn the colour up, so brightness up. There we go, so fire extinguisher all fitted as well. Both harnesses, fantastic bit of kit this car, all ready for its track day on Wednesday.
Yeah.
there, Adam.
Hi.
How's the race harness doing?
Oh, mate, it's lovely.
It's looking good there, mate. Looking good.
Yeah.
So are you ready for your track day on Wednesday?
Oh, mate, I'm track ready.
You're track ready?
I'm track ready. I'll see you Monday. See you Monday.
I hope you enjoy your day.
Yeah,
Lovely.
mate.
Lovely.